Hi, it's great to have you here again. I am Oluwakemi and this is question 7 Economics WAEC exam 2018. And the question goes thus. If the price of commodity X rises and consumers shift to commodity Y, then commodities X and Y were given these four options. So the first option A, says substitute. This is the factor that is explaining the increasing in price of commodity X, which leads to the increase in the demand of commodity Y. Okay, and this is as a result of the change in the relative price, because the price of commodity X has gone up while the price of commodity Y remains the same. So it increases the demand for commodity Y. So this seems to be the right answer, but then let's check the other options. Okay, complement. What do we mean by complement in economics? By complementary goods are those goods which are used together. Say for instance, you have tea and sugar. So these goods are taken together. So if the price of tea goes up, it's going to reduce the demand for sugar. So this doesn't go with a question that says that as the price of commodity X rises, there is a shift in demand to another commodity. But in this case, if the price of one commodity, say for instance sugar rises, sugar rises instead, the demand for tea will drop. Okay, good. What about the third option, inferior goods? For inferior goods, this type of goods is when the demand declines due to rise in income. So this is a case whereby your income has gone up and you start changing your taste, sort of like, oh, these are inferior goods, I can't go for goods like this. Could be like electronics, or when you go to stores and you get some discount, you say I can't go for discount, these are cheap goods. Okay, so this is as a result of when the price, when your income increase, the demand will decline. So that doesn't fit into the question whereby consumers shift to another commodity due to rise in the price of the substitute good. Then lastly, the last option, D, bought together. They are not bought together as given in the question. There is a shift from one commodity Y to commodity X. Okay, so answer option A seems to be the perfect answer. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.